Hi, in last video we have seen how we can do the email verification of the user at the time of user registration or sign up. In this video we are going to see how we can add the forget password functionality. For example, user want to reset or maybe user forget the password. At that time, how you can user change the password. So for that, first let me show you with the valid user, which is Durgesh. And for this user ID, I have a password August AUG @2023. See, password for this user ID. Then click on login. See, I'm able to log in. But what if I forgot the password? And click on forget password. Then here we need to provide the email ID, which is we have provided at the time of user registration or sign up. So in my case, I have given the user email ID, which is Durgesh. So let me enter the email ID Durgesh @gmail.com. Then click on submit. Yeah, it's loading. 1 second. See, we have got one message which is we have emailed you instruction for setting your password. That kind of message. So check the mail. Come here. 1 second. Yeah, this is the latest mail I have received. Click here. Then see, here also we are getting some message like you are receiving this email because you requested password reset. That kind of message we are getting. Then click on this URL. See, here we need to enter the new password. So if you remember, my password was AUG@2023. Now let me change. For example, I'm giving @2023. Let me show you. See, SEP@2023. Then again, I need to confirm the same password. 202. You again. See. Then click on change password. Your password has been set. You may go ahead and log in or sign in. Click here. Then come here. Then enter the username. In my case, which is Durgesh. Remember, previously the password was AUG@2023. But now we have changed to September SCP@2023. Show you the password. See. Then click on login. See, you have logged in successfully. It means we are able to reset the password. Let me show you how we can achieve this functionality. Open the Visual Studio Code. Yeah, then go to the settings.py file. Here, if you have seen my last video where we have seen how we can do the email verification of the user, where I have already explained you what is these things. So if you have not watched, then no issue. Simply you need to copy this entire things and paste in your settings.py file. But here you need to mention your mail ID and here you need to mention your password. So I will recommend you kindly watch my previous video, which is email verification in the Django. I will also provide the link of that video in my description of this video. So first you need to simply copy this entire thing and paste in your settings.py file. But here you need to enter, here you need to paste your email ID and here your password. That's it. Then Control S. Then let me tell you one thing. To reset the password, Django provide inbuilt support. In Django, we have already predefined views which we can use as per our requirement. We can modify it also as per our requirement. This auth_views have a 4 view classes. So let me show you what are the view classes. See, first we have a password reset views, then password reset done view, password reset confirm view, password reset complete view. These are the predefined views given by the Django for the reset password functionality. You can simply use this predefined view class. So let me show you how we can do. Then inside the urls.py file, simply copy this line and paste below. And here in place of this required this one, simply copy this entire thing and paste here. Then here you can define any URL pattern which you want. So let me define, for example, I'm giving password set. Here you need to provide the name to this URL. So I'm giving same only. Simply copy this one, paste here. Once again, this should be like this. And simply copy this one and paste. And second view will be the done passwords. See this one. Simply copy this one. The URL pattern done. See, here you can give any URL pattern as per your choice, but this view's name should be same what I'm giving, because these are the predefined provided by the Django. So here you can do it. Here you can give any pattern as well. Here also you can give any name as per your choice. Then third one, after that last one, which is complete. But complete, come for this one, this third one, there is one twist. Like here we need to define this UID B64 token. These are the inbuilt functionality provided by the Django to generate the token. So keep in mind, here you can give anything, but you need to include this UID B64 token. And here you can give anything, whatever, any URL pattern, whatever you want. Then let me change here. This one will be complete. It then, yeah, one will be confirmed. Check once again. This is for reset the password. We have given password reset, then password reset done. Its name is password reset done. Then confirm password, password reset confirm, then password reset complete. Yeah, done. That's it. See, let me tell you again what we have did. We have simply imported this library, and this library is consisting all these views classes which is predefined by the Django only. So we need to use as it is these libraries, and here we have defined the URL pattern. So as I told you, here you can define any pattern whatever you want, but for the confirm password you have to include these two things compulsory. Here you can give anything, but these are the compulsory things you have to mention in the URL. And that's it. Then Control S. And one more thing, simply copy this one password reset, and I will show you once again. First let me show you over the browser. See, here it's showing forget password. So it's coming from my home page. Inside the home.html page, yeah, see, below the login I have created one anchor tag which is forget password, and I have mentioned the URL. So this is the URL name. So let me show you from where I have taken this URL name. Go to inside the urls.py file. See this one. And I'm going to click on this. One second. This forget password, it will redirect to this URL like that. Plus, then in the command prompt, yeah, it's running already. Simply copy this URL. Refresh this one. It's working. You can see inside the URL, it's showing password reset. what we have mentioned inside the urls.py file. Password reset. The same thing showing in the URL also. But there is one problem. See, here it's showing Django administration, and this is the not our customized page. This is the default page given by the Django only. So it's not look like good. For example, once again, let me show you. This is our home page and it's looking like this. But when user want to forget the password, it's redirecting to the Django default page. So we can also customize this one also. Show you how we can customize. Then at last we will see how whether it's working or not. So one second, go to the Visual Studio Code. Then inside the urls.py file, see. Here we need to do one thing. Simply here we need to type template underscore name equals to, then here see, if you are not going to provide the template name, then Django will run the default template, which is this one. But if you want to customize this page, then you have to provide the templates name what you have created for this particular page. So come here, see. So you can override here. So here, if you have created the template, then you have to mention the name of that template here. In my case, let me show you one second. To reset the password, I have created one template. See this one. The template name is password underscore reset underscore confirm dot html. Simply copy this one. Then go to the urls.py file. And that's it. Control S. Then go to the browser and refresh this page. Let me run the server again. Once again, we have did one spelling mistake. Go to the urls.py file. We have page template. Control S. Run the server again. Yeah, go to the browser. Just this one. See. Now our customized page is showing. Previously default page was showing. So that is not looking good because our all pages should look like similar. So because of that only, I have customized this page. Even if you don't want to customize, then you can simply leave this urls.py file. No need to mention this template name. So let me show you this password underscore reset underscore form.html page. One second. Here what we need to do. Simply I have extended my base class. This is base.html. I have extended here. Then here I have taken one h3 tag, forget password. Then here I have taken one form tag. Inside the form tags, I have simply paste forms dot underscore p. See, in your case also you need to do the same thing. Why? Because this form dot as underscore p, it's coming from the Django only. This is not a variable which is defined by me. This is defined by Django only. So you also need to do the same thing. Up to here it will same in your case also. Only the things, maybe the blob name if you want to change you can change, or maybe your base class name is some different name. That things, that only. Otherwise this entire code should be same only in your case also. So don't be confused. This form dot as underscore p, it's coming from Django only. So you have to also maintain the same thing. Then same we have to do for the remaining also. For example, go to the urls.py file. See, the next is password reset done. Let me show you by default Django showing what page and how we can customize that one. So simply copy this URL. One second. Simply copy this URL, the browser, and paste here. See, the second page showing like this. So let me customize this one also. Go to the Visual Studio Code, then go to the, this is the done. So this is the done. Yeah. See, here I have taken one p tag, which is paragraph, and I have written this two line. Simply copy this name, and we need to specify this name inside the urls.py file here. Simply paste here and copy this one. One second. Yeah. See, Control S, then go to the browser and refresh this one. See, like that we can customize this password reset page. So let me do for the remaining also, as I already created for this confirm also. So let me show you. Yeah, see, this is the code for the confirm. See, simply up to this I have already explained you, and here we have maintained one the else part. For example, if that URL is not valid, that at that time it will message that only. And here is a complete. See, at last it will show like your password has been set. You may go ahead and like that. And here I have taken the home. So here you can mention the name of the URL what you have given to your home page. In my case, I have given home, so I have simply written home here. Let me show you from where I have taken this one. Go to the urls.py file. See, this one I have taken. So if you have taken the login, then you have to maintain the login. You have to write login here. That's it only. So simply copy this one. Simply copy this one and go to the URLs. Then come here. Yeah, simply paste here. One second. Yeah, and same we need to for this one also. This is for complete. Then go to the complete and urls.py file and paste here. That's it. Control S. See, as I already told you, here you can give any name. That is not a problem. Any pattern. And here also you can give any pattern name or any URL name, whatever you want. Only things to be remembered, this should be constant. What I'm using, the same thing you have to use. And this one also you can give any name whatever you have given to your templates or your HTML pages. So whatever name you have given to these templates, the same name you have to specify here. Then Control S, then go to the browser. Let me show you from starting. See, I have one user ID, Durgesh, then password at the rate one, then login. See, I'm able to log in. Then click on logout. For example, I'm clicking on forget password. Here we need to enter the mail ID which we have given at the time of creation of the user or registration. So in my case, it's a Durgesh at gmail.com. Then click on submit. One second, it's loading. After that, we have got this mail like we have emailed you instruction for setting your password. That kind of message we are getting. See, this message you can modify it as per your requirement. As I told you, the same message we have written inside the this yeah, we have written the same message inside the password underscore reset underscore done. So whatever here we have written, the same thing displaying there. So if you want to change, you can change from here. That is not a problem. Then after that, let me open my Gmail. Loading, yeah. See, I have got one reset mail. See, you are receiving this mail because you requested a password reset your user account. Then simply click here. See, now here we can change the password. So if you remember, our last password was sap at the rate 2023. So let me enter OCT at the rate 2023. Let me show you. See, OCT at the rate 2023. Then I need to confirm the password. Then again OCT at the rate 2023. Huh. Yeah. Then click on change password. Yeah. Then it's showing your password has been set. You may go ahead and log in. So let me show you from where this message is coming. One second. Go to the Visual Studio Code. Then click here. See, your password has been set. So whatever you have written, the same thing will be displayed here. Then click on sign in. So let me show you. DURGESH Turkish. Then previously password was SCP@2023. Now we have changed that password. So right now it's a OCT@2023. See, OCT@2023. Then click on login. You have logged in successfully. So this is how we can achieve the forget password functionality in the Django. As I already told you, Django provide inbuilt view classes. So we need to simply import that views and we have to use that views. See, we need to simply import this auth underscore views, and these are the predefined views classes. So no need to worry about these things. Simply copy paste as it is. And this entire code I'm going to share to my Telegram channel, and I will mention that link of my Telegram channel inside the description of this video. And one very important things, if you have not seen my previous video, which is email verification in the Django, so kindly watch that video, because I have covered initial configuration of the settings.py file, which is compulsory we required before going to send any mail. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.